Paakyat. Ito na yung real hiking, Marge. Up and down. Okay. Oh. Easy, baba kasi parang tinulak lang tayo. But not always like this. Oh, may nagtanggal sa rocks, oh. Ayan. Pinapawisan na ako. Maganda kasi maaga pa, di ba? Malamig yung hangin. Ay, hindi tayo naglagay ng oras. Surrender na sila. Pinaka-light na to. Ano lang namin. Pataas. Okay, so, ang ganda. Doon kami sa pinakababa, oh. Wow, non-stop pala to, ah. Harder and harder. Oh, you have to relax and slow down.
Oh, here's the road.
There's a road.
I can see the signpost. It's kind of good because it's just a road. Slow climbing. It goes along the mountainside.
Doon na kami sa 1/3 sa bundok.
1/3 praso?
1/3 pa lang to. Hindi pa tayo nakaano sa tip. Ayun ang road, oh. Ha? Good, daanan ng mga horse. Ayan, pinakataas. Road, pero going up. Halfway. Oh, we're just half. 1/3. Yeah, there's a lot of way here. Going down, going Vincent Lake. There. And we're going up. 1.1 kilometer. How many hours?
Oh, it's the same as we just came one.
Oh, we're just halfway then.
Halfway. Except this is kind of easier and then there's a little bit difficult.
Yeah.
The final. I know there's a part with ropes even. You just go very
Up.
slow.
Rough road.
Pretty cool though, 'cause if you're
Rock.
in, doesn't matter where you are. You know.
Pataas na guys. Go ba na? I'm just slow down here. I don't wanna force my breath. Pababa, oh. Look. Now dito kami sa pataas. Oh, there's a car here, tractor.
You have a big enough truck.
Pababa pa yan, guys. Refreshing. Sa malalim. Ha? But only this road is rocky. Pataas ang pataas. Look how deep. Ang lalim. Galing kami doon sa baba. Now we're up. Yeah, this is a real hike here. Ay, tanggal. Look at how deep. Lalim na yan, guys. Galing kami doon sa baba. Salamat, flat konti. Look how deep. No? Yeah, because it's low. Instead of one, double. You double.
45, 30 to 45 minutes every morning.
Wow, well, that's great.
Not great.
Physical fitness. You're not
Wow.
It's right there.
Oh, you don't feel like it's hard to listen and study, I'm sure.
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
it's all sweat.
Yeah.
Ayan ah.
Go early.
Surrender. Ayan. Balik na naman kami sa taas.
Yeah, there's a section here. Ropes.
Parang I feel,
Rugged.
yeah, my legs now.
But not really.
Oh, may nagtutuha.
The thing is
It's a bird.
nice and dry.
Ay! Tahimik kasi ngayon. Kasi weekdays. Aray!
You on the beach? Beehive. For the promise? Honey?
Yeah.
Yeah, if they swarm. You're supposed to use smoke.
Okay.
Get some relax.
Nakataas.
Get some meditating.
Mukha pa natin pag may patay.
Yeah, I would like to get beads for the province, but I worry about if they attack my neighbors, you know?
Yeah.
I don't know. I would get them. It's really good for you.
I know you have to make a kind of a
Boxes.
boxes, yeah. You put a screen, right?
Yeah, yeah. And you have to buy equipment and
Flowers.
you smoke. Yeah, there's a whole. It's not that easy. There's a whole skill set. You need to feed them, harvest them. Also to deal with the queen, you gotta make sure.
Yeah, it's dangerous though.
Not
Unless
really, not if you wear the clothing.
look at how rough. Wala, paakyat na. Diba, it's a good balance from the beginning. It was so hard.
It's done the 3 parts, four
And in the
parts.
middle,
You got the
it's
first
relaxing.
part, then the road,
Relax.
and then this one.
Whew. Tada. Yeah, I remember this before.
Yeah.
But it's a good.
But yeah, watch your step.
But it's so nice. Busog na busog pa kami. Maraming wild
15?
fruits, raspberries, wild blueberries. Yeah. Lots of berries here.
Let's see, over under.
Oh yeah.
But this is nice weather.
Dito pa lang kami sa baba. Papunta pa kami sa pinakatuktok. Very challenging. That's so nice.
Sometimes there's a lot of times it's too fast. They join up. Just some people go another direction.
Nice because there's a sign.
To get around.
You don't get lost.
You always lean towards
Pinaka deep na yan.
mountainside.
Lalim. Ayan, ayan, nag-cut na sila, oh. Wala. Careful lang kamo, ha. Dahan-dahan lang. Yeah, it's dahan-dahan.
What's your phone, man?
Yeah.
Snacks.
Whew, look at Adam.
Iron snacks.
Have a snack? Yeah.
Snacks, heavy. Tummy.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Need water. You're gonna eat over there. Nasa maliit. May chocolate yan.
Still stressful. Probably 70%.
Yeah. So, yung mga tao na. Eh. Puya. So fun dun sa Adam. Grabe. Yung gilid guys. Napakalalim na. Parang hindi ko na ito naalala. Parang hindi ko na ito naalala. Kaya. Kaupo sa alam?
Nakasakot.
Strong tuhod oh. Ha? Oh no. 100 times.
Malapit
Yeah.
na.
I know we're close.
Ano pag tayo?
Yeah.
Parang may daanan din dyan, no?
Baka yung mga shortcut.
1 minute.
Ayan. Surrender din dalawa. Kaya pa, kaya. It's very challenging. How deep? Kaya. Dahan-dahan kasi yung tuhod. Yan, lalim. Super. Lalim na. Ito na yung real.
Ashe,
Ito no? Dito oh.
ayun na yung ano.
Oh, yung si Lola. Oh.
Dito ata siya dumaan. Hindi dyan daanan, no? This way? Sasakto pala.
Nabutan tayo sa mga matanda oh.
Wala siya ng pahinga. Dito? Dito ko dito, wala kang lakas.
Guys, pataas ng pataas ito. Grabing pawis ko. Doon na naman. Hi! Hali! Yan doon. Awatin.
Sanay na ba?
Lupig pa tayo Lula Lulo oh. Si Lula Lulo. Kwento-kwentuhan lang. Ito yung first time mo hike, Marge, na mahirap. Ako pag third times na to eh, parang
10 minutes.
tiyan mo Lola Lolo. Wala. My God. Hawak. Parang hindi na alsa yung legs ko ah. Ha? Kaya nga, kailangan yung baston ko parang nandun pa ata sa bahay eh. Hindi natin nadala. Asan na yung isa? Doon. Yan. Pataas, pataas. Yeah. Slow down, malapit na. Malapit. Nandun mas taas si Adam. Almost. Mars, nagkamang na. It's okay, kaya pa yan. Dahan-dahan. Mas mabilis pa yung likod natin. Yung pahinga. Doon na sa unahan pahinga sa flat. How deep. Grabe. Yung road. Malalim na yan. Tapos paakyat kami. Pag uwi, challenging to kasi napaka no worries, pagbalik mag-zipline tayo. Ay, excuse me. Napaka-stiff. So, ang lalim. Oo, diba? Doon na sila sa taas. My God. Ito yung daan. Ay, ay, ay. Wow. Mountain climb. Yeah. I-consider na kayo ng mountain climb, ha? Climber, no?
May ibang way doon, oh.
Na. Tignan mo ang lalim mo. Crazy.
Tama ba to?
Oo.
Or this way?
Oo nga, mayroon nga doon, no? Hindi, mayroon siyang wire, eh. Is it the right one?
There. Then we should have gone there. Better to go there.
There?
Yeah, and there's a rope.
Oh, no. Be.
Ano dyan tayo?
Yeah, over here.
Mahirap ko eh.
Hindi kayo yung dalawa, be careful. Mawala na naman yung dalawa ba? There's a sign, oh. Yeah, the other side. Yeah, here we go. Ala, hindi ko na ito na alala.
May sign dito.
Yeah, didn't realize. Be careful, me. Oh, there's a roof here. Here we go. Wow. See? I thought this is electric roof. Yan.
Oh my God.
Super. Buti na lang. Stressable yung naka-short ako. Kasi kahit ay, yan mo guys. Hala, si Marge. Pero buti pa yung dalawa, bino. Ang tanda ang lakas.
Di ba ka din sila nagsimula sa may lake?
Baka.
Eh, doon pala sa unang part, pagod na ako.
Ayun nga. Hindi, mabilis sila, oh. Hindi huminto, eh, na. Hindi huminto. Sana.
Hurricane.
Eh,
We are you guys without phone.
Sana yung dalawa. Kahit na nabaston ka, pero yung tuhod mo ay diba? Pero ang galing nila.
Ano mo siya?
Hala! Look! Oh!
Ano siya?
Pag uwi, maglangan na. Dahan-dahan na tayo. Oh, malapit na ata tayo eh. Or there's another. Or this is the viewpoint. Oh yeah. Oh, not yet. The first viewpoint.
Not that? What, 15
Si Marge surrender.
10 minutes. If I...
Oh, meron pang pink doon, no?
Yeah, that way. Yeah, that way. Ay. Ay.
Parang first viewpoint to eh.
Ang ganda.
Hello.
Especially for going downhills, the knees. And what's amazing apparently is because it's
There we go.
chaotic, it knows.
Titingin mo tayo.
First.
Like there's
There we
something
go.
on the bump, and then it stops here. Yeah, and they're like.
Yan guys. Sana sila? Wala na, ang bilis nila eh. Mm. Layo nila. Alam ko may pababa pa dyan siguro eh. Bilis nila oh.
Tama ba?
Diyan. So yung pink doon, iba ata yung way doon kasi pink. Pink yung side. Ay, wow. Buti nga, easy na dito. So dito na kami sa dulo ng mountain. Nandiyan na yan. Baka nandiyan yung viewpoint.
Ayaw.
Yes. Nandiyan na yan. Or alam ko parang may pababa pa eh. Baba ba?
Kapag tayo ni.
La, iwan na tayo. Tayo tayo. Ay, doon. Kasi ang bilis nila. Umiikot tayo eh. Kaya mag-facing yung viewpoint yan. Mag-facing tayo sa North Van. Iniikot natin yung mountain para hindi masyadong mahirap yung ang galing ng ano dito no nag-create nito no.
Noise na yan, diba? Parang hindi lumapit ng bear.
Yeah, make it noise.
Ay, may ano din.
Ayan. Pero I can't believe yung dalawa matanda. Pero ang galing nilang diretso sila eh. Kaya hindi sila hinahangal no? Kasi para silang penguin walk, duck walk. Oh, may sign na. Kasi naalala ko parang may pababa pa yun eh. Paano pag hindi marinig? Ay, salamat. We're almost there.
You recognize this, eh?
Huh?
You recognize this?
Yeah, that's why I recognize a little bit because I know there's small,
5 minutes?
down.
Oh, another 30 minutes.
Another 5 minutes. 10 times. Oh, bumalik na sila.
I gotta find out. I thought this was the thing.
Yeah, I remember this, but there's a small.
I thought we were going. Hey, is there a viewpoint down here? Okay, good. Thank you.
Whew. Thank you. Yeah, that's the one I remember. There's a little bit.
But I got surprised when we go down because I remember what happened.
The other side.
We went that way.
Yeah. Both of us are argue, kind of debating. Yeah, this one I remember this one.
You remember this?
Yeah.
Siguro ano tayo, sanay na sila mag-hike.
Pero parang penguin walk nga sila para hindi ka hingalin ba?
Mahirapan talaga ako sa pakyat.
Yeah. Pero ba? Umiikot lang tayo sa ano, sa mountains. Tapos. Kasi kung diretsuhin natin ang ang ano, taas. Oh. Uy, ay, ay. Kaya nakalimutan ko dala yung baston ko. May baston ako dun eh. Hmm? Hindi, may kahoy akong baston dun. Ha? Hindi ko alam kung ano. Para matibay yun. Hindi ba? Or dito sa kabila.
Dun, mayroon palang ano.
Meron dito eh.
Dito tayo sa pinakamahirap na. Dun siguro yung magandang view.
Yan lang na yung ano niya. Point niya. Naka 2 hours na tayo? Ha?
Ano na lang yan? 5 minutes. Ano yan? Late ba yan?
Kung maka 3 hours tayo, pagbalik 3 hours, 6 hours, diba?
Parang pagbalik na yung ano na. Kasi hindi na akong papay na.
Tutula ka na eh.
Pinakalaan tayo niya kasi pagbalik.
Ako naman, pagbaba, hindi siguro kasi hagdanan yun eh. Yung pag-uulog sa kabila. Pag hagdanan, pababa, medyo, ano sa tuhod. Ha? Wala, dalawang, titingnan natin yung guide dyan. Baka sa kabilang view sila.
Sanay kasi ako umubo sa computer.
Yun na nga eh. Yun na yun. Oh, tanggal yung bilbil ko. Nawala na yung bilbil ko. Oops. Bakit papuntang Bansint yan? Baka mali. Sa kabila tayo. Baka naman naligaw tayo. Iya. Bula, bula. Yeah, I said 5 minutes and now it's 50 minutes already. Ang ganda ng daan.
Ang laki ng lamok mo. Nakita mo yung lamok. Traffic parang. Baka may dingding. Kaya
Iya. Mataba. But I can't believe yung dalawa ang bilis talaga. Yeah, are you going the right way? Because it's a vista that way. Baka Bansint.
Don't worry, it's only 11K.
Yeah. Yan, malapit na kami. Ito na yung viewpoint. Oh! Upo na naman yung isa. Kumukulo yung dugo.
Bakit?
Kumukulo yung dugo mo eh.
Ano nangyari? Pero kumuko din na yun.
Ay, masyak. Di, to stop ata sa ano ba? Yung blood ba? Sa ibang nerve mo, di ba? Nagbara.
Parang langaw na kasi ang laki.
Ulala. Upo ulit si Marge. Ayan.
Nahuhusan na yung kakapahinga.
Ako naman pero magaan sa ano. Kasi kaya nga mag penguin duck ka lang ay walk. Kaya nilolula o parang hindi huminga. Parang hindi huminga. Kasi nagbilang eh.
Diyan na.
Diyan na yan.
Baka 10 minutes na naman.
Ay, 1 minute ba? 100 times. Ay. Nakalimutan ko na ganito na pala siya ka. Ano? Hindi dati kasi parang na-enjoy lang kami sa chikahan. Kaya dami kasi namin dati. Ay. Wala pa. Hindi pa ito nakarating. Kuya. Parang ng palayo ah. Ha? Kasi nasa ano talaga tayo eh. Ay.
Ano naman?
Tama yung map mo. Malapit na. Kaya maganda sana pag dala ka ng food. Kain-kain. Okay, malapit na. Ayun. Malapit na sa tubig. Ito no. Aray. Careful. Ito ba yun? Baka sa ano to sa kabila. Ito na ata. Thank goodness. Here we go. Wala yung parang ano yung tikod ko ah.
Wow!
Mataka yung tikod. Masarap kumain na yan. Oh my God, see? There we go. Ito lang. See? Mga mountain climber na lang talaga kayo. Ready to ano na. Yo guys, dito na kami. Wow, it's not busy today. Here we go.
We're like,
Gutom ko. Ayun, kain
So
muna ako.
did you book online?
Diba, anong biscuit mo tayo?